Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. And katulad ng intro ng isang episode, magkadugtong, di ba? So, the other day, what we featured was the angel hair and tomato sauce. So, ngayon, it's just how to cook steak, no? So, sorry, ang nakuha natin ngayon end cut. So, this is a US Angus steak, no? So, US Angus siya na ribeye. So, I'm sure a lot of people, ito yung hahandain nila sa kanilang bahay kasi Christmas, di ba? So, sana umabot to sa 24th. Hindi ko alam kung kailan to i-show. But, this is what you call a meat tenderizer. Okay? So, I bought it in Lazada. I think it was only 200 plus, below 300 pesos. I highly suggest you buy it. So, these are mechanical tools, no? When you say mechanical or manual tools, para mag-tenderize ng meat. So, one is this, no? The pinupokpok. This is the usual, what we're used to. This one is a meat tenderizer. So, I like this method more. This one, what it does kasi, fina-flatten niya. So, sa sobrang nipis niya, somehow, it breaks all of the muscle of the meat. Kaya nata-tenderize. So, magbabacktrack lang ako ng konti. Every meat, 70% is water. And the rest is muscle. So, ibig sabihin, that's why meron tayong certain techniques, no, in cooking na siniseal off muna lahat ng pores. Isipin mo na yung skin natin ng pores para ma-seal in yung moisture or yung tubig para it will stay malambot. So, isipin nyo yung sponge ng paghugas ng plato, matigas siya kasi wala siyang liquid. And then when you put water, it softens. So, that's pretty much how the meat works, okay? So, the tenderizer, if you press it, yan. So, when I do this, so it builds holes, okay? It builds holes. So, ibig sabihin, when I cook it, yung tubig nagsaspread and nang-i-immerse sa muscle. So, it gives it space para mag-soften. So, ganoon na siya kadali. So, this is US Angus. I think it's a choice, no? So, it's not prime. So, diba, I think I explained in a few episodes before na ang US Angus merong prime, select, choice, tapos yung iba certified. If it's certified, hindi siya rated. So, hindi siya na-rank. So, this one is, I think it's a choice, no? So, this is what we're using. Kikita mo naman yung fat kung naka-immerse, so hindi siya masyadong naka-intertwine. Kung mas maraming fat, syempre mas tender yan. So, just to be sure, I use the tenderizer. Okay? Ngayon, ano mangyayari kung wala kayo? Okay lang kasi US Angus naman. Okay? So, now, let's marinate it. Because the flavor of the steak is already good. No? So, I'm not really gonna add so much seasoning. But, I like using two kinds of pepper. No, ma-pepper siya. After I cook this, alam ko naman walang kakain ng taba, we will demo how to do also the steak rice. And then, ito yung aking salt. Doon na lang tayo sa social. Social salt, yan. Ito, mamasahiin natin ng konti, ha? Just to make sure na magsistay talaga siya. Because we want it peppery. You have to remember, i-prepare ko siya with angel hair pasta, no? With tomatoes. We want it very hearty. Then, I'm just gonna add the pepper. And the grinded pepper. And just a little bit of salt. Na masahiin lang just to make sure na absorb siya. Okay? And now, I'm gonna turn on the pan. Before you put the steak here, kailangan mainit talaga. Okay? You have to remember, kailangan mainit talaga yung pan. And it's with oil. Okay, why? Because nga, like what I said, meat is made out of mostly water. No? So that's why nga siya nagsishrink eh. Di ba pa nagluluto tayo, nagsishrink yung meat? Kasi nga, nalulose natin yung water content nun. So ito, what we're trying to do, that's why we want it to be really hot, is you're sealing in all of the liquid inside. Very technical, ano? Paskong Pasko, ayaw nyo na mag-aral, pero sayang naman yung steak, diba? If we cook it the wrong way, right? So now, that's what we're doing. Ngayon, if you want, you can even add tarragon. If you have, purely optional, only because mabango siya, no? If you want to. There. And ayan, it's very hot na. Has to sizzle. So, how do we test it kung mainit na? Hawakan nyo. Hindi. Hindi natin hawakan. What you can do is you can just pinch some salt and see. Yan. You heard it sizzle, so it means it's gonna sizzle. So if you notice, I put very little oil. So mabilis lang yan kasi manipis yung steak natin. If it's about half an inch, this is like very, very thin kasi it's the end cut. If it's half an inch, kailangan flip na natin siya agad. So this is probably just 1 minute. So ngayon, I don't know if you heard yung parang rest, no? So when you cook steak, you actually need to rest it. Hindi mo yung isa-slice mo siya kaagad. And then, yung mga kumain sa house, when I serve my steak, I slice it na. Kasi linuluto ko yung steak 1 by 1 para mainit every bite. Tapos, I'll just go up at dining table. 1 more minute, then flip it over. Probably a minute and a half kasi it's very manipis. Ayun. Mabilis, di ba? Ayan, mamaya, yung taba na yan. Lulutuin natin yan. Gagawin natin steak rice. Tapos the next day, lagyan mo ng eggs. Mag-breakfast. Pwede, di ba? So, yan. I-ready ko na yung ating butter. Magnolia gold. Okay. So, this, we will rest it. Ibig sabihin, sa standby natin yan dyan. Ngayon, sayang naman lahat ng flavors na nandyan. So, what I will do is, I'll make a sauce out of it. Sayang. Diba? What we will do is, add some butter. I'm gonna saute it with some garlic. I'm going to add some tarragon natin. And now that it's slowly naggo-golden na kasi mainit, I'm gonna turn off the fire. But I will continue stirring it para yan na yung ating butter sauce for our steak. Okay? We will just put it here. This one, we are resting. So, 2 minutes pa lang to. So, we want to rest it 5 to 7 minutes before slicing it. Kasi ibig sabihin, from the pan, yung heat, linuluto pa niya yung loob. That's why nga, if you want it medium well, kailangan tanggalin mo na sa pan as medium. Para pag rin-rest mo, naluluto siya, magko-continue siya medium well. Kaya nagkakaroon ng konting slightish pink, pero walang dugo-dugo. So that's what we're trying to achieve here. Okay? Totally nag-melt na. So, meron na tayong sauce. So, what we are doing is waiting for 2 more minutes before I slice this and serve this. But, for those, you can serve it that way. Kung type nyo, di ba? For those na, kunyari, single serve. So, ngayon, this is 5 minutes na. And of course, see, malambot siya. See? Ang tao dito gusto medium. There. Okay. Here you go. Ready for tasting. So here is our steak for the holidays. Dito sa kusina ni Mrs. O. Papatry pa natin to. Pero hindi pa ako mag-exit kasi gagawa pa tayo ng steak rice, diba? Sayang naman to sa taba. Walang kakain yan eh, diba? So, beauty shot muna. Ito, lalagyan natin yung tikman mo.
Lasang pang Christmas. Chef, ano yung gamit mo sa ano? Sarap? Sa sauce? Sarap. Garlicky. Sarap.
Butter, garlic, tarragon.
Sarap ng meat.
Habang inuubos niya, kukunin ko na yung taba. At isa-slice ko to at gagawa tayo ng steak rice. Kasi sayang naman, di ba? Itong last part, maraming taba. Ayan. Of course, kinukukulat ang taba. Kasi, if there are leftover steak, that's what you do. You can make steak rice or you can make salpicao out of it. Kasi sayang naman, di ba? So, that's what I'm doing. Okay? Okay, let's go. Let's make our steak. So here, o diba ang haba ng episode na to? So ibig sabihin, sa December 24, magsa-steak kayo, tapos Noche Buena na to. Diba tama? O, kasi sayang. Alam mo, kahit Pasko, we do not waste food. So for here, for this one, I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil because what we want to do is gusto natin itosta ng ating taba. Parang chicharon, di ba? Masarap. Pero syempre kung hindi naman crispy, di mo kakainin yung chicharon na makunat, di ba? So for here, ang uunahin natin ilagay is the steak fat. No? Kasi gusto natin siya mag-crispy. We don't want to put the garlic first because magbaburn, right? So what we want to do is to put the steak rice first. So I do my steak rice really, really comfort food. It's greasy, it's full of fat. I add nor seasoning, and I love it. So sometimes we just need that greasy and unhealthy kind of food. So here. There, it's sizzling already. So if you want to add eggs later on, okay din. Kasi you may want to reserve it for breakfast. May ibang families kasi they don't wait naman until 12 midnight, no, ng 24. Nagki-Christmas morning sila. So you can do that also. So there, we're just waiting for this. So here, nakikita nyo, wala nang namumula-mula. So I will add the garlic for our steak rice. At saka, dapat dito, yung hindi bagong saing na kanin, ha? Yung natira. Para ka lang nagsinangag, pero may steak. Ganun. Pepper. At ang ating sinaing na kanin kaninang umaga. Yan. Wala pa siyang nor season. Ang nagpapasarap. Ang sarap. You can smell it. Ang bango ng nor. So ito, we're just making sure that hiwalay-hiwalay, buhaghag na, no? Yung rice. Kasi nga, you have to remember, it's lumang rice. And then, at this point, sayang naman kasi napaka-fattening na eh. Lubos-lubusan na natin, di ba? Kaya, magdadagdag tayo. Yan. And then you turn off the fire and just mix it. Parang you're finishing it off. Naka-off na yung fire ko. So, since melted na lahat ng butter and it's evenly spread in all the rice, I'm gonna transfer it. And there you go, our steak rice. Perfect for Noche Buena. Or kung ihabol mo, pwede na pang dinner ng December 24. Again, that's it for Kusina ni Mrs. O for this episode. Thank you for watching and advance Merry Christmas to all!
Ang daming kinuha. Taste lang. Menor.
Siyempre.
Sarap. Perfect tong kainan pag may hangover. Masarap siya. Lasang-lasa yun, no? Noche Buena.